Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 10 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. SpyFinder M1 Laser Cutter and Engraver. It can also be easily moved outside, while traveling, or from one production plant to another because it doesn't need to be set up. Use it to engrave on a variety of materials, including paper, bamboo, leather, and wood. You'll experience a change in your creative process once you own a SpyFinder M1 Laser Cutter and Engraver. This cutting-edge gadget has an endless Y-axis and can cut and engrave using lasers. It is a versatile tool with endless uses for both amateurs and experts in business, DIY, and the arts. It has an integrated design and is a portable laser cutter. In actuality, you don't need to consistently set it for long items because of its work area of 200/400ths of a millimeter. It is possible to cut and engrave along the Y-axis indefinitely on any project. This compact, user-friendly technology allows for the production of amazingly lifelike objects. Coming to number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3D Printer Auto Leveling. Precision printing is ensured by the direct drive extruder, which can lessen jitter in filament transmission. 4.3-inch, enormous touchscreen built in. It can lessen shaking, which can enhance the quality of prints. The printer's modular construction makes assembly quick. It just takes around 10 minutes. A direct drive extruder integrated into the system provides better filament management and increased conveying force. In terms of size, the printer resembles a number 5 football. After printing, the models can be taken out by gently bending the magnetic platform made of spring steel. It is portable and lightweight because it only weighs 7 kg. The printing size of 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, is sufficient for everyday and residential use, giving you additional printing space and production options. Coming to number 3. wolfbox G840's Mirror Dashcam with Reverse Camera. A 2.5D curved screen's body is smoother and better suited for the human retina's curvature. The mirror camera effortlessly merges with the existing mirror thanks to its OEM appearance. This reverse camera attachment can only be used with US license plates. In comparison to conventional rear-view mirror cameras, wolfbox's 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses offer an extra broad vision that reduces blind spots for safe driving and reversing. With the Smart Screen Split feature, you can watch 2 displays at once. Coming to number 4. SofaBaton X1 Universal Remote with Hub and App. Do you find it annoying to have so many remotes? You should not worry because we just have one remote. You can program short and long commands on each hard button since you can alter the command your button transmits or even what pressing and holding the button does. Its quirky remote control is Alexa compatible. With only a few voice commands, you can now manage your home entertainment and set the mood you want. Say, "Alexa, turn off the TV," or, "Hey Alexa, play my favorite music please," to benefit from the hands-free experience. IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi compatible device stop fumbling around with many remotes and programs. Allow you to alter the remote's buttons. In low light or in the dark, easily locate buttons. To have a backlight improve your house. Connects to more than 500,000 entertainment and smart home gadgets, making it very easy to operate your favorite brands with just one click. Smooth and easy to use buttons on the scroll wheel. Coming to number 5. PS5 Stand and Cooling Station. The bottom of the PS5 console will be used to vent all of the heated air. Both controller charging stations have smart chips with tested charging capabilities that, in order to safeguard your PS5 controller battery from harm, maintain its health, and lengthen battery life, automatically cease charging at 70%. On a single PS5 stand, you may keep a PS5 headset, 2 PS5 controllers, a PS5 media remote, and a PS5 system. Maintains a clean appearance and orderly organization of all PlayStation 5 accessories. The lights that indicate the fan speed can be changed by adjusting the PS5 cooling station's 3 fan levels: low, mid, and high. The white color palette also complements the design of the PS5 gaming console. For gamers who own a range of gaming accessories, such as external storage, wireless headphones, and wired controllers, The additional 3 USB hubs on the dock are useful since they eliminate the need to disassemble their current setup in order to use the cooling stand. Coming to number 6. Cardlax 2.0. Portable massager that fits in your wallet. When in the knock mode, short, intense pulses activate your muscles. This mode is perfect for tired muscles because it varies between intervals every 3 knocks. The malaxate mode causes little muscle contractions, and it seems that the stimulated area was first hit in the center before the currents spread outward. By changing it to the rub mode, you can get a feeling similar to malaxate. This mode cycles through short, weaker pulsations that intensify over a period of 6 seconds before ceasing after 2 seconds. Need is the final one. With a contraction that seems like your sensitive areas are being tugged, this mode gives you the sensation that someone is gently but firmly massaging your muscles. Coming to number 7. SpyFinder Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Spying prevention. The tiny camera lens will appear to wink back at you as you scan the area around you as a reflection off the camera lens itself, instantly exposing its location. Regardless of whether the camera is on or off, recording or not, the blinking effect will clearly demonstrate the presence of a camera lens, which is nearly impossible to see with the unaided eye. You can quickly stop the recording of inappropriate behavior by knowing where the camera is located. There are also 3 different LED intensity settings, which make it easier to concentrate on camera lenses that might be hidden behind various surfaces. Coming to number 8. Powerful, convertible portable private screen. Any smartphone can become a 4K CPU with the built-in keyboard and touch cushion, ensuring hassle-free operation. Comes with a high-end mock leather cover that may be used for a tablet or laptop. A multi-touch, private display will give users the highest level of efficiency and discretion. A second, multi-purpose screen that immediately transforms your laptop and desktop into touchscreen devices. Coming to number 9. OMI Pod Versatile Food Container. The silicone container is perfect for holding stuff like fruits, noodles, sauces, and other things. When you vacation, consider bringing your favorite lasagna. The pod from OMI makes it simple to pack every meal. It boasts a flexible design that is stackable, leak-proof, and vacuum-insulated, all of which are features aimed at assisting you in leading a more frugal lifestyle. With the help of the temperature-regulating 5-layer flask and top silicone container of the pod, you may arrange your meals however you please. Most significantly, it is made of 316 stainless steel, which is medical grade, to ensure quality and longevity. We have a solution if you're sick of carrying about a ton of containers merely to separate your various food items, and keep them from getting wet. Coming to number 10. Rolo Charge. Make your cords disappear. Electronic gadgets now play a significant role in our lives. Every new electronic equipment is accompanied by a new cord, and soon there are cords everywhere. This issue's resolution is Rolo Charge. In order to allow you quick access to the gadgets you need, when you need them, this revolutionary bag hangs your devices in place while holding them in zippered mesh pockets. Before we discovered a design that worked well, we experimented with a number of alternative ones for a long period. The entire Rolo Charge design process took place in Berkeley, California. We are eager to provide you with this intriguing new bag. The entire Rolo Charge design process took place in Berkeley, California. We are eager to provide you with this intriguing new bag. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.